Hey everybody, it's Joric. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great wherever you are in the world. Thank you for continuing to follow me. If you're new and haven't subscribed yet, I talk about Portugal. Usually I try to get to day-to-day life in Portugal, and this is one of those videos. If you are coming to Portugal, if you are looking to move here at the end of 2023, or you're trying for 2024, some of you are trying to beat the deadline for NHR. If that happens to go away, many people across the world cannot get in before the end of 2023. It's going to be sometime in 2024 based upon what is going on in your particular Portuguese consulate in your country. I wanted to pass along this quick video to you showing information that just came out that as CEF, that's the body that handles immigration here in Portugal right now, is going to be transitioning to a new company and a new agency. Not a new company, it's a new agency in a couple of weeks. It's been reported that they have over 300,000 cases in a backlog. 300,000 cases. And one of the arguments or one of the criticisms of CEF since before we moved in 2019 was the delays in processing applications. So you can chalk that up to bureaucracy. When we've gone to CEF for our appointment, or I've gone with clients to their CEF appointment and ask questions, often it comes down to one thing: human resources. Enough people here in Portugal or at consulates abroad that can handle the influx of people that are looking to move to Portugal. And as CEF is going to be transitioned into a new agency, these hundreds of thousands of cases are going to be just pushed off into the new agency. Even the person that's in charge of things doesn't have an answer, doesn't have a strategy, does refer to we need to hire more people, but there's nothing in the budget for next year that's going to address hiring more people as more people from around the world want to immigrate here to Portugal. So I wanted to make the video to let you know, not only are you going to be facing delays or maybe seeing frustration in how long it takes for you to get into the Portuguese consulate in your home country, however that system works, whether it be through like a VSF in the US or how other countries may do it. But as you get here, the second part of that is getting through the immigration here in Portugal. You might have as long, if not longer, delays once you arrive to be able to get in for that appointment. Usually, this is not but on always, usually when you're leaving your home country, there is already an appointment that may be set for you here in Portugal. But with the new agency, there's going to be a lot of questions. And again, you have several 100,000 cases that have to be resolved somehow. And I also wanted to point out in the article here, because this is something that people I know have done in order to jockey for a better position with a CEF appointment, because some people go out and like click and buy a bunch of appointment times. A lot of companies do that. They're paying 100 to 200 euros, and in some cases more. Someone paid 500 euros last year to be able to get an early CEF appointment. And when I say early, within 3 weeks of arriving into the country, they were able to get in when they were originally looking at appointments that were 4 months out. Of course, that's 2022. But this year, things are not getting easier when it comes to getting your appointment here in Portugal at immigration. And as CEF transitions to this new entity, this new agency, I think it's going to be just more frustration for people, regardless of where you're coming from. If you're committed to Portugal, it's one of the things you're just going to have to get used to, as Portugal remains a popular destination for people, unless or until the government addresses the need for more bodies and more people to handle these cases. It's just going to be more of the same. So just expect long delays when you're coming into Portugal to get through your immigration appointment here. It's just the way it's going to be for the foreseeable future. It's been that way for years. I don't think with this change from CEF to the new agency in a couple of weeks, anything's going to change. In fact, there are some indications that it may be even worse and even longer to get through to your appointment and to get all of your deliverables, meaning your actual residence card, once you're done with the appointment. As always, thank you so much for watching the channel and enjoy your travels.